How to download and install EA Sports FC24 on your laptop. For that, on the searching bar, search for Steam. Then you will be landed to this page. From here, you will have to select the official website of Steam and on the searching bar, search for EA Sports FC24. Now, scroll down a little bit. There you will see Add to Cart option. Tap on it and go through your cart. If there are other games, then you have to remove them. Then hit on the continue to payment and you have to pay $69.99 for this game. And then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily download and install EA Sports FC24. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.